So Visual Studio is basically a very vast platform with a number of integrated languages and vast amount of features. So to understand this platform, you can just visit nevonexpress.com and then in the menu, click on IDEs in the software menu and then Visual Studio. So as you can see, you can download Visual Studio from this link here. It has a free community version. Here we are going to study Visual Studio platform as a whole, the entire IDE, how it works, the languages supported in it, and the various features. So you can see the feature. It has a code editor for editing the code. Then we have debugger for debugging the code with ease. Then we have designer for designing the GUI. And we have other testing, collaboration and related tools. So here we have a chart that includes various languages that are used with Visual Studio. So the first line, as you can see here, it includes VB.NET, C#, JavaScript.NET and other .NET languages to design GUI. It includes ASP.NET, Windows Forms and Console. ASP.NET is used for designing GUI for web applications or web-based systems. Windows Forms is used for designing GUI for Windows-based or desktop-based applications. And Console is used for console-based application. Console applications are like DOS applications. Then we come down to ADO.NET. So ADO.NET is basically a database connection technology. It is a data access technology from the .NET framework that provides communication between relational and non-relational systems. And then we have .NET Remoting. And we come down here to first of all we start with the web and cloud-based technologies. And ASP.NET, as I said before, it is used for web development or web-based systems. Then we have Azure. This is the Microsoft Azure Cloud, the cloud framework. This is also integrated in Visual Studio. You can directly export Azure and cloud-based applications. Then we also have support for Python and Node.js in Visual Studio. Now we come down to Windows or desktop-based applications. Desktop-based applications are the applications that are installed and run in your desktop instead of the web browser. So here we have .NET Desktop Development, Desktop Application Development. The desktop application development is done using Windows Forms and languages like VB or C#. And then we have desktop development with C++. And then we have UWP development. So UWP basically stands for Universal Windows Platform, which is an API created by Microsoft and introduced, firstly it was introduced in Windows 10. So the purpose of this platform is to help develop universal apps that run on Windows 10, Windows 10 Mobile, Xbox One and other Windows platforms. Then we come down to mobile and gaming. So we have mobile development with .NET, which allows for various mobile app development like iOS, Android. Then we have mobile app development using C++. Apart from that, it also supports game development using Unity, which is a very widely used game development platform. We have game development in C++. So apart from these, we also have other tool sets which includes data storage and processing, which means Visual Studio has support for a wide variety of database technologies, relational as well as non-relational databases. Then we have data science and analytical applications, Visual Studio extension development, which means you can develop your own extensions for Visual Studio. Then we have Office SharePoint support and Linux development with C++. So this basically gives you an idea of how vast the Visual Studio platform is. So thank you for listening to this tutorial and do subscribe to us. Thank you.